Welcome back to Kansas City. Today we're going to talk about a couple of things that a lot of brokers probably know inherently, but we have had a hard time articulating. As the complexity of American health plans has gotten more and more Byzantine, the number of things that are expected of the administrator, that some do and frankly some don't, has grown. Now, we're going to list off a couple of things that we do as American trust administrators that other administrators may not do. Depends on the administrator. And we're going to go through why you need to file them. Number one, there's a thing called a 5500 report. If you are working with an administrator who is not an insurance carrier, these, in our opinion, need to be filed, even if the group is under 50 employees. As American trust administrators, we file these. Documents are filed with the Fed. Additionally, PCORI. We produce all of the documents for PCORI and we send them out to the plan administrator. Now, they have to actually physically cut the check and send that in. Everybody who's doing self-funded should pay PCORI as I understand the law. If there's some attorney who argues differently, it'd be new to me. Additionally, 1095s. 1095s are a document that says this many people were enrolled in the plan at this time. This is part of the ACA, and it's mandatory enforcement as we understand it. We produce all of the documents. We send them over to the plan owner, sign off, say, yep, that looks right, and they send it in. Additionally, RxDC is another bit of reporting. That's a recent law that now is in effect where you have to report all of your RX spending and coverage. We produce those documents. We send them out to the plan owner. They say, yeah, that looks right. They sign off and they send it in. These are things that are done behind the scenes that most people don't know about. But realize compliance is king. We have to be compliant with the regs or else problems start shaking out. Whenever you're looking at other plans, make sure that these things are filed and taken care of so your client is not in a bad spot. These are the hidden things that young brokers may not know about that could expose their plan, their client, and their future to regulatory burdens. All right, we'll see you out there.